Hi, we're here with John Doucette. It's absolutely amazing 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. John,
About the fourth year now.
and I've seen it before. We've shot this car for a whip seal. We never actually sold it.
Is it 64
It's amazing. It's like you could just dive right into
Everybody compliments the food.
Yeah.
straight.
And then obviously with the
And this engine is like the cleanest engine I've seen in so long. It's absolutely amazing.
That was before the door for including that part. But there's always
What is this engine?
anybody's a GTO.
454.
It's 454. Wow.
From Virginia. Says it's got 5.7. He builds them all the time.
Oh, does he?
About a 68.
Wow.
Whether it is or not, it's no big deal.
No, you just
Goes good.
Thank you. What's the transmission?
The 700 R4. I should know things by heart, but
Well, actually, there's four wheels. I remember it being a street.
we're in gears.
It's a nice combination. Get this
Yeah.
It's great transmission. You know what? I'm glad to see you here again this year. The opening show basically for the season for us here with the Kingpins. So great to talk to you. You take care.
All right. Thank you.
Happy motoring. in with his 1953 Mercury Monterey. David, tell me a story. What'd you find?
My friend Norm Grierson built the car originally, and I fell in love with it when I first saw it. I told a buddy of mine, I said, "Hold this car."
How long did it take?
Yeah, it took me about 15 years. And finally, I'd gone through a bad motorcycle wreck, and the day I received the payment for my bike, I received a call from Norm. My mega car. He said, "Hey, if you're selling the new car, I'd like to sell it." I was still healing at the time, and went down to he made me a deal I could look at. He wanted me to have the car because he knows that I'm not afraid to use it. I run the wheels off.
What have you done since you've had it?
I rebuilt transmission, clutch, driveline, did the white balls finally because it always had black balls on it, and just basically been the caretaker of it.
Original motor?
Oh no.
Nope. And what's it got now?
Yeah, it's got a hot rodded 302 Ford with a 4-speed,
There you go.
narrow 9-inch rear.
I like how you answered, oh no. Wouldn't be a hot rod if it had the original motor, right?
Absolutely.
And what's the transmission?
It's a top loader Ford 4-speed.
Nice.
Got a narrow 9-inch rear with wide tires, and a wide light Cafe car.
She'll get up and go. I'm sure she does. I love it. This is amazing.
Kids love it. It's awesome to enjoy it with
That's the
them.
best part, sharing it with family. I love it. David, thank you
Thank
for
you very much.
chatting
I
with us.
appreciate you guys.
All right, take care. Hi, we're here with Richie, co-founder of the Kingpins Club. This is your, how many years?
21 years.
21 years as a club. I remember covering you guys when I started. I was a cub reporter for Chains, Whips, Wheels back in the day. One of the first shows I ever covered was in Methuen. 64. One of my favorite years because I'm a 64, so I picked up. There you go. So you had this car 21 years. Did it look like this the whole time?
Oh, the whole time? No. I've actually done this car over twice.
Really?
Turn, conversion. It was pretty rough. But solid. It was, came from California originally, so the floor was decent, not a whole lot or anything like that, but it was just kind of interior was a mess, body was kind of a mess. This fender was missing the trim on this side. It had it was like a big spot right here.
Right in the middle, right on the hood.
Yeah, right where you notice it.
Of course. I'm a little jealous. I watched you put down the power windows. They work really well.
Well, that's it's been a long road getting there. Even everybody says, "Oh, power windows, that's great."
Yeah, until they don't work.
Yeah.
Of course. Did she always have the hydraulics?
Yes. Yeah.
So she was a lowrider from the West Coast from day one.
Yeah, basically, yeah. So it had hydraulics. My buddy actually bought it. Good friend of mine.
Yeah.
And when he bought it, he put hydraulics back in it. Somebody had taken them out,
Right.
and then I got it with hydraulics on it. But since then, we've totally redone it. Put a new frame under it. It's a totally completely wrapped 1/4-inch steel, the whole frame, and then powder coated to match the old paint, which was similar color.
Right.
So it doesn't match.
So you picked this pattern.
Yeah. Funny because the paint job I had done in between, it was like seafoam green with the white roof. When I first got it, it was dark. It was all dark blue. Then when we redid it, it was seafoam green, white roof, and then there was a couple spots that stopped right because we did like just a quickie job on it.
Yeah, well, it's not a quickie job now.
Yeah.
So you just came back from a big show down in New Jersey, didn't you? I saw you posting it. Yeah. What happened there?
Well, I went down there because they
Talk to you. I'm not surprised it won.
Yeah, no, it's cool. And obviously the paint helps a lot. And,
Well, yeah.
that's this guy right here, American Crazy Customs. So we did the paint. Well, I say we, but he did all the work.
Hey, we helped.
Yeah, Maki was there.
We were taping.
Everybody helps. Everybody helps.
We taped it all off.
Hey, these cars are always a team effort, right? Nobody does them alone. You know that.
Yeah.
It was great talking to you. I'm glad I finally ran into you. But take care.
Thank you.
We're here with Mark Hesse and his absolutely very cool 1954 Chevy Belair. Mark, I've seen this car at other shows. You're with the club, with the Kingpins. Never had a chance to chat with you. Tell me the story on this car.
I was looking for it on classiccars.com
Yeah.
because I wanted a 54 Chevy.
Yep.
One came up, So I called the guy and I said, listen, I'd like to see the car. And he goes, well, Jim down the street's got it right now. And he says he's putting a new master cylinder in it.
A few of these teeth.
Yep.
I replaced this part because it was just rotted.
Yeah.
But mostly everything I did myself.
Nice
And
job.
the guys, the Kingpins, they helped me out a lot.
Like you said that before, these things are never a solo project, it's always
That's
a
it.
team effort.
Everyone joined in to help.
Nice.
Then we did the interior. I painted the whole inside,
Nice job.
did the door jambs, everything.
Yeah.
The interior I bought in Amesbury,
Okay.
so I had to strip all the old interior off. I put new foam in it, and you just pull it all down
Yep.
and then hook it all up. And
These dashboards are amazing.
oh yeah,
They had so much style back then.
yeah, a lot went into it. Still not done.
They're never done.
No.
I ran into you, got to hear the story on this car, because like I said, I've seen it numerous times at shows. I'm like, I always got to run into this car. But thank you for taking the time with us.
I appreciate that.
Take care.